Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rosinta Fitriana Pangestu. I'm from Chemistry Class D. I'm here to present a resume of material on sampling strategy, analytic contamination, and region contamination. The last one, eh, number one, sampling strategy and its preservation sampling energy. Sampling strategy and it is preservation sampling strategy is to collect and control volume of a water body to be studied with the small possible amount, but can still be reservation and still have the same characteristic as the water body. An example is attacking sample of seawater, lake water, and others. This strategy is a very important because the sample when it is taken and has been used volume must remain the same to that it can be called valid data. Sampling is divided into the following three steps. Number one, reservation sampling. Number two, transport and preservation of sample. Number three, chemical analytic of the sample. Preparation of sampling and preservation. The bottle that will be used to take the sample must be clean and have been rinsed with distilled water or distilled water first and then followed by the liquid that will be used to fill the water and dry. Make sure the bottle does not contain any contamination from the previous analysis. This is because the contraction of the analysis is very small, so there should be no trace of contamination from the previous analysis. Number two, the same applies to sampling equipment such as pipes, pumps, which must be clean and free from residues from the old sample, especially the growth of mold and mildew must be prevented because these fungus can absorb or reduce the thing we can to test. Number three, can contamination from metal of sampling equipment which may dissolve in the sample must be prevented. Number four, iron, brass, bronze, and disposed in water that is acidic or basic. So the metal must be considered. Will plastic and rubber materials and dissolved in industrial wastewater containing organic sulfate, or oil and gasoline, for example, do not use container made of plastic or rubber. If the sample contains organic or non-polar materials. Number 5, sample can be taken separately. Use bucket, plastic, or glass bottle. Open and heavy, for example, with a lead ring around the neck. Tied with a rope, then put into rivers, canals, wells, and so on. Taking sample at can deep. Number 1, provided and closed bottle that can be opened with risk the desired depth. Number 2, another way is to use a kind of seeking pump. This is because to avoid surface areas that can contain suspended solid. Sample from water cost can be taken with a open beaker or a bottle to be closed depending on the analysis plan. Number 4, using the automatic sampler with a special tool to take sample in succession. Disturbances that may arise during sample storage and transport. Suspended and colloidal substances and from their own cloak and settle so that the sample becomes different from the state when it was taken, like substances and liquids can float on the surface. Some surface can be oxidized by dissolved oxygen so that it turns into the compound. Number 2, analytic contamination. Contamination from the atmosphere. Differ from particulates, trace element, and the soil surface and suspended material in the atmosphere. The simple way to avoid the atmospheric contamination of sample is to cover the sample solution during the preparation and analysis process. The analysis can be a source of contamination to the sample to be analyzed either through direct contact or through the air. Human skin is reputed to contain metal even in very low concentration. Mask, gloves, laboratory coats are usually worn to reduce contamination. Contamination for equipment. Pyrex is resistant to acid and bases. Hexilia glass, type glass, is more resistant to salt attack. Cleaning glass were using to 1-to-1. Other frequently used preparation equipment has a lower chance of metal contamination. Fused cilia, plastic, telephone, PVC, rubber, and filter paper. And number 3, reagent contamination. Reagent can be used for increasing concretion. If your concretion is not what we want, this can be grouped into contamination from reagent can group into number 1 mineral acid and ammonia. Number 2, inorganic solid. Number 3, reagent organic. Number 3, organic sulfate. Mineral acid and ammonia. Most the mineral acid contain a certain amount of metallic acid and are then created from extra pure acid. There are several grades based on their purity. Extra pure acid extra pure acid contain a very low level of material generally this very high quality reagents are quite expensive. Then there are ultra pures, which generally contain fairly low of metal, but the content of some elements varies from product to product. Analytical reagent grade acid usually contain metals to purify very small compound by ultrafast analysis. The acid and pure by distillation commonly used argon are HCl, ammonia. Ammonia solution in water placed in a glass bottle will be contaminated by silica, aluminium, calcium, and other elements that might be caused by alkaline solution in the glass. Uh, Analytical reagents of ammonia and contain heavy metal in fairly low concentrations is disease probability due to the absorption of metal glass. Inorganic solid of reagent quality are usually purified enough to be used directly without purification, but a blank solution as a counter solution must be prepared. Blank solution is a solution to correct the erratic absorption from the solvent. Lead, lead or PB is an important trace metal. This metal content is usually found in solid. Purification is usually by crystallization or filtration. Organic enrichment or cladding agent usually contain a metal that is bonded in the combination with the metal. These are usually derived and dissolved or reagent used in the sciences of the ligament. This organic ligament is a very reactive to metals, so that many metal around it is so collected or made into completion compound. Organic sulfate metal content in organic sulfate is usually relative low, which must be watched out for is the presence of other organic compound diffused in the salt because it usually interferes with spectrometric determination. For example, CCl4 and CHCl3 in left unchecked with product oxidation result which interfere with determination of metal by diffusion method. Loss of analysis. During the preparation, separation, and determination stage, the analysis may be removed from the example solution by the following factor. 1. Adsorption, volatilization, precipitation, or settling. Thank you for your attention. I made this video to fulfill environmental chemistry achievement. What if there is wrong word in the delivery of the material? Apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.